Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I came out to check on my zucchinis and I noticed that 2 of the leaves are broken off. So I'm wondering if this edge is just a little too sharp for them, and when it goes back and forth, when the wind knocks them back and forth, it cuts them off. So I went to town and I got these, I think they're 3 feet long pieces of pipe insulation. I'm going to wrap that onto the edge there, or slide it onto the edge. Well, I had brought scissors out thinking that I would have to cut them, and 2 of them did the whole thing. Well, that should protect them. Looks like I got to do some weeding in there. Hey girls, and Marshall, what you doing? So that's enough out of you. So hopefully I start producing here. Oh, it looks like I might have some flower. Oh, what are you? You are going to die. Sorry.